Hey everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Handmade gifts are very special, so let's make them. For that, we have to cut a circle from cardboard and then paste all the toffees in it using double-sided tape. Add more details like wings and a bow, and look, it is ready. Next, we are going to make paper sword. I'm sure your kids will love it. You have to fold a craft paper like this from the center and paste a double-sided tape. Remove it and paste it again. Then we are going to fold it from the corners and paste it as well. And cut the ends like we are doing here in V shape and fix it with glue. Put a paper stick inside it. Then we are going to fold a colored craft paper and make a cut in the center and fold it again and put the sword in between it like this. Cover the handle like we are doing here. Then we are going to make the case for the sword by folding a colored paper, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.